Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix fingerprint not working on your Samsung Galaxy A17. The fingerprint here is side mounted, which means it's on the power button right here. And the first thing is make sure that it's clean, so you may want to use some sort of cloth, a soft and a dry cloth to clean it a little bit. And also make sure that your finger is clean and dry, because moisture and dirt or lotion can affect scanning. Now, also it is worth restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches, so you may want to press and hold on power and volume down on your phone. Power and volume down, and then click on restart. Okay, once the phone is restarted, see if it helps. If it didn't, then you may want to go to the settings and then go to the security and privacy. Now let's go to screen lock and biometrics, and let's re-enroll the fingerprint. I actually don't have it enrolled at all, so I can add it here, but you should just go to fingerprints and remove the older one by removing it basically. So let's register it. To do it, just start registering and then start sliding your finger around. Make sure to adjust the grip so you do it differently, like that, so it actually scans all the area, so it always works. Now you can see it was recognized, so let's click on done. For the removing, if you need to remove and re-enroll, click on it, then click on remove. Right? You can also add a second one and just add the same finger. Maybe that will help. Now let's see. Yeah, it worked, right? Right. I can see that it doesn't work perfectly, but maybe I could add it again, but this time try going around this area of my fingerprint instead of this one. Now ensure that your software is up to date, so let's go to settings, then go to general management, and go to software update, and then download and install. And if there's any update available, download it and install it, so you know that your device is running the newest software. It may fix some sensor bugs. Also, if you're using a thick case on your phone, it may be interfering with proper finger placement on the sensor, so try removing the case and try again. Also, you may actually want to enroll your fingerprint twice. One like we did a moment ago, one with the case on the phone and one with the case off the phone, and then use it. Maybe that'll help. Also, some cases are so thick that your finger may not be covering the whole area of your fingerprint sensor, and that may cause your fingerprint to not recognize because it's not fully covered. Now, if none of that helped, then I think we should try doing another thing. So let's press and hold on power and volume down again, but this time press and hold on power off, then tap on safe mode. and wait a moment until your phone restarts into safe mode. It'll take a moment, so let's wait a moment. Now we are in the safe mode, so let's first unlock your phone normally, because like for the first time you need to unlock it normally. Then after doing that, you will need to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and see if it works. If it does, then it's great. That means that maybe just some app that you have installed may be the problem, so try uninstalling it. Or also there is a chance that you have simply like messed up something in the settings, and you may need to reset all settings, so we'll get to that. Now let's restart the phone into normal mode by pressing and holding on power and volume down. Then click on restart, and it's gonna restart to the normal mode. Okay, now after a restart, we can do the reset of the settings. So we should go to the settings, then go to general management and go to reset, then go to factory data reset. No, sorry, not factory data reset. It's gonna erase all your files. We don't want that. Go to reset all settings. I'm so sorry. Let's reset the settings. Yeah, we just want to reset settings, but remember it will erase all the settings on your phone, so you may need to reset, like re-enroll some things on your phone, set up some things again in the settings. So it's worth remembering that. Now it's gonna take a moment, so I'll get back to you when it's done, and we're gonna have the last thing that we can try. And if that thing fails, then we're gonna need to bring our phone to like support, to some Samsung service center or any authorized technician, and they will help you. And if it works, like we'll just do a test fingerprint recognition, and if it works, then we should probably do a factory data reset. But remember, it'll erase all the data on your phone, so it's good to back it up. There is a really like full video about it on this phone, like on our channel, about backing up and restoring the backup in all 4 possible methods. So this is very worth doing, so you don't lose your data. Now, as I said, the last resort is gonna be this Samsung Members app. I have no idea here. Samsung Members. And then we can go to support once the app loads. Okay, I'll probably need to connect to Wi-Fi because after resetting the settings, I am disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Nothing surprising, to be honest. We can go here. Yeah, and let's go back, so we can go to support, then go to phone diagnostics. You can see get started, Well, now it's diagnosing everything. I'm not really sure if we should. No, there's no SIM card inside it. Okay, let's just wait until we get to the fingerprint. Maybe there will be that. If not, then we'll see. I've skipped a few. Now there's like skip. Yeah, in-call speaker, skip. I'm gonna skip that as well. Yes. Yeah, and now the fingerprint sensor, so let's place the fingerprint, and it worked. So, yeah. So this is what we needed to get to. If it didn't work, then there is a problem with your fingerprint sensor, and you should get it fixed. If it worked here, then you should, as I said, factory reset your phone. Again, in general management, then reset, then factory data reset. But before that, it is worth actually doing the backup, and there's a video about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.